When performing a color change, it's good practice to perform the cleaning process as you would any final clean. The first thing is to get all the paint out of the airbrush as quickly as possible by a pre-rinse. Using a cleaning brush, wipe away any pigment that is left in the cup. You should never let any paint dry inside the cup or airbrush. Next, this airbrush comes with a crown cap. Go ahead and unscrew that so you have access to the tip. The needle now is exposed. You'll need to take off the handle to pull the needle back for this next step. Loosen the chucking nut and pull the needle back until it's no longer poking out the tip of the brush. Tighten the chucking nut and put your handle back on. Now submerge the entire airbrush underwater and flush and back flush. Back flush by plugging the tip of the airbrush with your finger and pulling back the trigger. You're going to flush and back flush 10 to 20 times. This agitates any paint out of the airbrush body. Put brush under water to minimize overspray, or you can use an airbrush cleaning pot. Scrub your crown cap with your cleaning brushes. Now take out the cup and underwater you can spray in here. Put your crown cap back on. Now we can go ahead and put the cup back in. You may need to pull out the needle to clear the paint from the needle housing. Unscrew the handle, loosen the needle chucking nut. Pull the needle out. With cleaning solution and a paper towel, wipe the needle clean. Reinsert the needle. Tighten the chucking nut and put your handle back on. Do a test spray and you should be good to change your color. To purchase any Master Airbrushes, airbrush products, or any US Art Supply colors or cleaners, visit us at tcpglobal.com.